everybody, it's Sienna. Welcome back to my channel. I would really love it if you guys subscribed, and if you want to get notified when I post a new video, make sure you turn on my post notifications. In today's video, I decided to create a leggings lookbook to show you guys several outfits you can make with leggings. So the first item is a super simple kind of fall look. So first is, of course, this really cute dark gray puffer jacket, and it's super comfortable. And then of course underneath would be a white turtleneck or mock neck, long sleeve of course, and of course just a plain black pair of leggings, which I got from Lululemon. The next outfit is a bit more sportier. First we have this white zip-up cropped hoodie, and then we have this white cami top, and we have these high-waisted gray leggings. And so the leggings, they are from Rawlings, and they are kind of like a heathered legging kind of color. They're super simple yet super cute to put on, and they're really high-waisted, so you could wear them with crop tops or of course whatever shirt you want. And then the cami top is from Sienna, and it is more of a cropped look, of course, but of course with the leggings it doesn't really matter because they're already high-waisted. And I really love the straps because it is a thicker top, so it's not see-through, which is great. So the next outfit is a bit more casual. So it is this black button up kind of cardigan top, and then this black cami top, and these high-waisted blue leggings. This backpack is from Tommy Hilfiger, and it's a super cute backpack that I usually pair with, of course, if I ever wear navy blue or black, because it goes really well with that. And the material's really different from like other backpacks I have. It's kind of like a velvet kind of material, but it's super soft and it's super cute, and it has like a couple pockets, so you can really bring it anywhere. So this next outfit, it's also a sporty outfit, and so it is this white long sleeve shirt and these pink high-waisted leggings, and then this white hat or baseball cap, whatever you want to call it, and then my white Fila disruptors. So this next outfit is a nice fall kind of look, which I really love fall, so I really love this outfit. So it's this jean jacket and this plain white crop top, and then for the leggings it's this plain black pair of leggings. And can't forget the shoes, which are these black and white Adidas runners. And then of course to accessorize it a little bit more, I have this black mini backpack. So this next outfit is of course how I would dress up my leggings. So it is this dark gray top from Eclipse, and this gold leaf necklace also from Eclipse, and then this cute little bracelet that is from Winners, and then also this dark gray colored blazer from a brand called Dynamite. And then of course for the leggings we have these dark gray high-waisted pair of leggings, and then these cute sunglasses. And then for the shoes we have black pumps from Sears. So this last outfit is also a more dressed up outfit with leggings, of course. And so the first thing we have is, then for the shoes, they are these cute kind of snakeskin print pumps, and these shoes are from Call It Spring. This black cami top and this cute little, I guess, gem or diamond choker, and then this really cute little gold bracelet. And then we have these black high-waisted leggings, and then we have this really cute black short sleeve blazer. So once again, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. And let me know which one of the outfits was your favorite in the comments down below. And I hope I inspired you guys to, have some, new outfit ideas to pair with your leggings. And I'll see you in my next video.